Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel, DIYTechTrends. I'm going to guide you today. I use old CDs. No longer in use. We're going to make a very useful tool. Whether you're rich or poor, we can use it. This way it's very effective for us. Watch the TV channels. It's completely legal. Watch this video together. In the process, you don't understand, you can leave a comment at the bottom of the video. We'll see and respond to you. Please pay attention to the video. We use it. Adhesive tape paper. We'll stick it on the surface of this CD. This way of doing it in my country. Almost every family does it. Receiver wave. National television. It's free and completely legal. Wheel paste. This tape covers the entire surface of the CD. Helps to make the antenna transceiver better. You're watching this video. From which country? Please leave a comment and let me know. In each country can be the waves. It may be different, but the way it works is the same. You can actually catch free waves from the TV stations. And completely legal. I'm glad to be. Talk to all of you around the world. To help me know more. Culture of each country. In addition, we can improve video quality. Serve your audience, follow the channel in the best way. We are always making great videos too. Helpful for everyone, help everyone. Improve the quality, daily life and utility. With the lowest cost. This is how the radio is picked up. TV is completely free. From national television stations. You're going to need to take a piece. Copper intestine. To increase the ability to receive better waves. Please leave a comment. Tell me what language you use, so I can make subtitles for you. Better understanding of how to do it. Make your video useful. Learn, reach people more. That we use the CD in conjunction with adhesive tape made from aluminum plating. It helps with the ability. Reception is better and more efficient. We're going to get the rope. Aluminum of coaxial wire. Contact with the silver-coated adhesive tape part. It's going to act like a pan for it to collect signal from television waves. Do you follow? Remember, tell me the results. Please tell me that you usually receive the VI signal. Where you live, on what equipment? With an antenna or a digital head? There are some cases where we can't get television free from the radio stations due to some low television, or that country's broadcasting frequency has changed to be more suitable for higher-end TVs, like a smart TV. So let's try. And leave a comment, let me know. Pasting. Many. Silver adhesive tape. This will increase the likelihood of exposure. The VI is better. This is a CD. My gameplay. From 2009. It was a time when Messi played very well. I am a fan of Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo is not a Messi fan. Are you a fan of these two players? Please leave a comment and let me know. I am a Manchester United fan. Which clubs are you fans of? Leave a comment under the video. We will. This copper intestine is formed on exo oven to increase the ability to get better reception. Remember to follow me. We can win. So the antenna is already forming. What do you think? In a very simple way, we can build an antenna. It costs almost zero. Just take advantage of the old CD and a little bit of silver tape. Now we will get a beer can or a Coke. We're going to take some aluminum that we can put on our heads. Antenna. Something like this will help. The transceiver signal is better. What do you think? Please leave your comments and let me know. I will test later. Signal from this antenna to see the raw result. I think it's pretty strong. Now we're going to connect jack. Plug to connect to TVI. It's also important to connect this jack. It's going to determine our signal is transmitted well or not. So, let's do this connection correctly and technically correct. So you do it correctly. Please take a close look. There are many types. Jacks on the market. This is a single type coaxial simple jack. Here's how to make the antenna rudimentary and the simplest. But let's wait and see how it works at the end of the video. It's simple, but its ability to collect very is. I think it's very, very effective. You are waiting to see. And let's check it out. As you can see, BT TV signals, no antenna wave signal. It doesn't have a signal. Now we'll try to detect it. TV signal to see if it catches live TV. Be patient. I'll feed my fish. In the meantime, does your house have an aquarium? This is an aquarium that I made myself. I designed my own house and campus. I'm an architect. As you can see, the TV signal doesn't pick up. Now we're going to plug this antenna into the television to see the ability to collect. It's a wave. We're going to put it on this VI. This is a test if you want to use it. We're going to make the bracket make it more secure and more beautiful. Signal start detector. There's a number that jumps up and catches 10 channels. A man can be happy. Continue to increase. The number of channels has increased to 48. So this antenna is also quite effective. When it's over 50% running, it's caught 48 channels. 79 channels. 90. Yes. On the first try, we've captured 90 channels. Broadcast TV. Free. The pass is very sharp. It should be in full HD, guys. The signal is very good. It's very sharp. You're very tense. It's great. As you can see, the signal is very good. The transmission line is very sharp. This is the back of the antenna jack. There's a jack in the back. We will withdraw. It's lost its signal. We plug it back in. Cell line signal transmission. This is the most realistic reflection of the TV signal. I wish you follow the video. We'll succeed. Thank you and see you in the next video.